how to share a file in Figma. So first, open a Figma and then just open up one of your designs. So for example, this is a design that you want to share. So what you can do is just click on share here at the top right. Then here you can just edit who has access here. So just click on that and then edit. Let's say you want this link to or file to be only shared or to be accessed only by invited people, or you can just select anyone who has the link. Okay, so next is what can they do, where they just choose whether you want to only for them to be able to view or edit. And then for additional security as well, you can just click on add password if you want, but you need to have a plan here, I think. Okay, yeah, you need to upgrade to a professional for you to use it. Okay, so once you've done that, you've edited the share settings here. You can just add their email here and then just click on invite, and then you can just that person just needs to accept the invite. Okay, and of course you can also just copy this link and then share this link to anyone. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.